Sports, so if we go to recreation culture and then recreation, sports, you have information here, and then we've got this calendar here. Now this is specifically like tournaments and things that are reserved. So this is going to be particularly useful if you are a business owner in town, particularly if you're a small business owner of like a local restaurant and things, and you want to have a good sense of when there's going to be crowds coming in, and you want to be able to anticipate when you're going to have a busier weekend than normal, right? We're now listing kind of our upcoming tournaments that happen in our parks here on this specific calendar. So this is a specific calendar for sports. If you click on it, you're going to find sporting events. We have leagues, tournaments, clubs, show up and play kind of events. So the tournaments is where you're going to find, right? So starting tomorrow, we got a power play sporting baseball tournament. When you see really big tournaments in here, that'll let you know, hey, we need to order more supplies. We're going to have a big crowd show up at our restaurant. They're going to need a lot of food. So that's why we kind of have that here on the sporting events calendar. But also if you're looking for information about our local leagues, local clubs, or if you're looking for an activity that you can just participate in. So a good example, this table tennis. We've got table tennis going on the 30th of October on Thursday. And if you click on this, you'll get some information about that. Right, 2 to 4 p.m., ages 30 and up. Contact Janie Figueroa. So this is going to be a Golden Games training event related to table tennis, and you can participate in that. So you'll find that information, sports, on the sports page, right? So BullheadCityAZ.gov, recreation and culture, recreation programs, and sports. And then you've got your calendar here. So this one's a little bit deeper in the website to find, but if you were looking for sports, you were going to find it, and that's kind of how we designed that with that information in mind.